The Vivo Y75 is set to be released on March 28, 2022. Expected price of this phone in USD is $395. Vivo will shortly release the Y75, a smartphone. The MediaTek MT6833 Dimensity 705G chipset will power the next smartphone. A 2.2 GHz octa-core processor powers the Vivo Y75. There's also a strong Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The handset features a 6.58-inch display with Full HD and a resolution of 1080 x 2408 pixels. The new Vivo Y75 will feature an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most recent and well-known for its excellent performance. This phone will have an enormous RAM capacity of 8 GB. The smartphone's internal storage capacity is 128 GB, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future use. The Vivo Y75 has a triple camera setup at the back. There are 50 megapixels in the main camera, 2 megapixels in the secondary camera, and 2 megapixels in the third camera. The selfie camera has a resolution of 16 megapixels and will produce stunning images. To secure your data from loss, the incoming Samsung Y75 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And under the belly of the Y75 is a 5000 mAh battery, which is enough to keep the phone operating for almost 1 or 2 days of vigorous use. This new handset, dubbed the Y75 by Vivo, also has a quick battery charging capability of 18W. Please let me know what you think of this phone in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.